Hi everyone, it's Miss Neely. I'd like to start today by teaching you a song that I learned when I was your age. It's called Boom Chicka Boom. So in order to teach it to you, I would like for you to repeat after me. I will point to myself with the things that I will say, and I will point to you with the things that you'll say. Ready? I said a boom chicka boom. 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 Got that part so far? Let's try it one more time. I said a boom chicka boom. 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 I said a booma chicka rocka chicka boom. I said a booma chicka rocka chicka boom. Isn't that hard to say? Okay, let's practice everything we've learned so far. I said a boom chicka boom. 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 I said a booma chicka rocka chicka boom. I said a booma chicka rocka chicka boom. Uh-huh, all right. One more time. Let's do the same thing, the whole thing, all the way through. Ready? I said a boom chicka boom. 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 I said a booma chicka rocka chicka boom. I said a booma chicka rocka chicka boom. Uh-huh, all right. One more time. And then you can come up with so many different kinds. You could come up with a flower version. I said a bloom chicka bloom. 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 I said a blooma chicka blossom, smell those flowers chicka boom. I said a blooma chicka blossom, smell those flowers chicka boom. If you come up with your own version, I would love to hear it. You can post it in the comments below. Look at this cat. Beyond being very cute, what do you notice about this cat? What shapes do you see? An artist named Paul Klee from Switzerland liked to paint cats. He was an abstract artist, meaning much of his work was inspired by bold lines, shapes, and colors. How would you describe his art? You can comment below to show me. I would describe his paintings as colorful and geometric because they include a lot of shapes. Together, we are going to try and draw a painting by Mr. Klee called Cat and Bird. Look with me for a moment and study the shapes and colors in this painting. Do you see the bird? How do cats and birds usually feel about each other? Do they show each other the virtue of friendship? It's interesting that Mr. Klee chose to include both of these animals, isn't it? Mr. Klee was also a talented musician. He played the violin. So some people, when they look at his work, they describe it as musical. They describe it as musical because of his strong use of lines and bold geometric shapes. What do you think? Do you think it's musical? I'm going to show you how you can draw this image yourself at home, and then you can add color using crayons or markers or anything you have at home. I only have colored pencils, so that's what I'm going to use. To do this lesson, you will need one piece of blank white paper and a pencil to start. Please go get those things now. As you can see, I have my paper and pencil ready. The first thing that I'm going to do is to draw a border around the paper. My lines don't have to be straight, but they just have to be bold, because we are trying to make an abstract painting. Next, I'm going to lightly trace what would be the center. I'm just going to barely show it for myself. I'm going to do the same thing in the middle. The next step is to draw a large W-type shape for the cat's head. This doesn't have to be a Spalding W with my perfect handwriting. we're just trying to do a W shape. So I'm going to start at the top, draw a curved line down to here, and then do the same thing on the other side. The next step is to draw the cat's eyes and snout. So I'm going to put my pencil on my top line over here and draw a curved line out past my guiding line in the middle. Like that. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Draw a curved line out past my guiding line in the middle. These lines are a little bit too large, so I'm going to erase them and make them a little bit narrower. It's okay to make mistakes, that's how we learn. And go right like that. The next step is to draw the cat's eyes. This is our guiding shape for the cat's nose. So I'm going to start at the middle here and draw a curved line all the way to this edge. And I'm going to bring my line back to the middle. Now I'm going to do the same thing over here. And you can fix those lines if you want to, but I think mine are okay. The next step is to draw the cat's eyes. So we've got the shape for their eyes, we need to put the eyes inside. Cats don't have round eyes like us. They have kind of oval eyes. So I'm going to start at the top, draw a curved line out, and do the same thing on the other side. And I'm going to do that over here. Oh, this eye is a little bit bigger. So, there we go. That's closer. And cats have kind of a heart-shaped nose. So down here at the bottom of my nose, I'm going to draw a heart. Next, I need to add whiskers for the cat. So I'm going to start at the heart and draw some long lines out. And I have to do the same thing on the other side because cats have whiskers on both sides. There's my cat. And then the next thing that we have to do is we have to draw a bird on the cat's head. To draw the bird like Paul Klee did, I am going to draw another oval here and connect it here. I'm going to draw a little triangle here and a smaller oval right here for the head. But now I need to add its feet. So I'm going to start in the middle and draw 2 lines on either side so that the bird is balancing itself on the cat's head. And I added little feet for the bird. You can add those if you like as well. And now the bird needs an eye, so I'm going to draw a little circle right there. And then to make it just like Paul Klee's painting, I am going to draw a little circular moon up here. This is my finalized drawing. Now you can go back and edit any shapes that you may want to. This is my final drawing. I am ready to start coloring. And there you can see my final drawing. Please email me your picture of cat and bird when you are done. I would love to see it. If you like the work of Paul Klee, you can copy some of the other paintings that I showed you earlier in this video, or you can make your own painting with bold lines and shapes. I can't wait to see what you do. Thank you for spending time with me today and drawing with me. I will see you again next time. Bye!